In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and configure Microsoft Copilot settings to ensure your language preferences are set just the way you need them. Let's dive right in and get started with this essential setup. First, we'll begin by opening the Microsoft Copilot settings. This is the foundation of personalizing your experience with Copilot, and it's where all the magic happens. Opening the settings can vary slightly depending on your version of Microsoft Copilot or the device you're using, but generally, you'll want to look for the settings menu within the Copilot application interface. Once you have that open, you're on your way to tailoring the tool to suit your needs. Next, you might be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account. Now, this step is crucial as it ensures all your preferences and settings are linked to your account. If you're not automatically signed in, simply enter your Microsoft account credentials. Remember, keeping your account secure with a strong password is always a good practice. After signing in, you'll want to scroll down to find the voice section within the settings. This is where you'll be configuring how you interact with Copilot using spoken language. It's important to note that this feature allows you to communicate seamlessly with the tool, thus enhancing your user experience. Under the primary spoken language option, you'll select the language you wish to converse with when using Copilot. This choice is pivotal, especially if you're bilingual or working in a multinational environment, as it defines the language that Copilot will primarily use to interpret your spoken commands. Take your time to select the language that best suits your daily needs. For those of you who might be switching between languages regularly, there's an optional feature that can be incredibly useful. Auto-detect spoken languages. If you enable this, Copilot will automatically recognize and switch between languages based on what you speak. This feature is great for users who frequently alternate between different languages during their interactions. Once you've made all these adjustments, it's important to click Save to apply the changes. This step is often overlooked, but it's absolutely necessary to ensure that your preferences are stored and accurately reflected in your interactions with Microsoft Copilot. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully configured your Microsoft Copilot settings to use your preferred spoken language. Whether you're using this tool for work or personal tasks, having the language settings customized to your needs can make a world of difference. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope it helps you make the most out of Microsoft Copilot.